Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Let us now proceed to number 14. Okay, nandiyan na yung keyword. What is the answer? So, some drugs, okay, are cause, no, the release of histamine, giving rise to allergic symptoms such as dermatitis, swelling, okay, pamamaga, fall in blood pressure, okay, suffocation, and death. Mayroon akong kasamahan dating professor na yung anak niya namatay because of this, no? Because of allergic reaction. So, allergic siya sa isang pagkain na yon, nasobrahan siya ng kain ng food. Ang nangyari, yung daanan ng hangin niya, no, nag-swelling. So, hindi siya nakahinga. Hanggang sa hindi siya nakahinga, nagkaroon siya ng suffocation hanggang sa namatay. So, dapat alam natin yung mga food na tayo ay may allergic reaction para makontrol natin. Dahil if tayo ay makakain ng lagpas ating tolerance, ay mapapahamak tayo. Okay? So, all of you, lahat kayo is correct. Okay? So, let us now proceed to this one. Okay? Ano naman ang drug that relieve pain? However, they may produce opposite effects, side effects. No? Somebody who suffer from peptic ulcer or gastric irritation. Pag nag-take ka nito, medyo yung tiyan mo, no? Hindi magiging maganda ang kondisyon. Okay? So, meron kang gastric irritation. Okay? Or peptic ulcer. Maaari ka magkaroon. So, what is the answer? Okay? Ang sumagot majority sa inyo, analgesic. Ang laxative, guys, ano ang laxative? Diba? Siya yung nagpo-promote ng bowel movement or defecating. Okay? Sa pagdumi. Okay? Bowel movement. Sedatives, isang downers yan. Okay? Example niyan, mga barbiturate, tranquilizer, hypnotics. Okay? So, yun ang mga example ng sedatives. Okay? So, antipyretics, no? So, it is no to antipyretics is a medicine, no? Is a drug for no sa ating inflammation, and analgesic is the correct answer, alpha. So I want you to remember analgesic. Okay? So, let us now proceed to number 16. Anong sagot? Refers to the group of drugs that are considered be mind-altering drug. Give the general effect of mood distortion. Give the general effect of mood distortion. Okay? So, yung letter C, depressant, downers yan. Okay? The most abused depressant is alcohol. Okay? Yan ang pinaka most abused. Okay? So pag inom natin ng alak, depressant yan. Okay? And barbiturates and any kind like Adomir, mga ganon, okay, Mandrax. So, narcotics is a general term for illegal drugs like opium, okay, cocaine. Those are considered as narcotics. Okay, stimulant, it will make you more active. By the word stimulant, sinistimulate nito yung ating utak, yes, upper, yung ating brain. Nagkakaroon ng stimulation. For example niya is shabu. no? Methamphetamine hydrochloride. So the answer in this one is hallucinogen. Ano yung other term for hallucinogen? What is the other term, guys, for hallucinogen? Anong other term doon? Okay. What is the other term? So I want you to remember, guys, no? I will type it, no, para, okay? Hallucinogen is also called, I want you to take note, no? Psychedelics, okay? Psychedelics. So pag na-encounter nyo yung word na psychedelics, that is hallucinogen, no? So ang tatandaan nyo yan, mind-altering drugs. Okay? So, kung isa sa mga issue sa CIA, isa sa mga naging illegal operation daw ng CIA nung unang panahon pa, no? Is yung upon the discovery of yung tinatawag nating lysergic acid, okay? Diethylamide o yung tinatawag nating LSD, okay? LSD. So, tinest nila ito, no, sa isang community sa France. So, tinest nila ito kung anong effect sa tao. Kasi nga, no, allegedly, I'm not saying that this is true, pero maraming evidence that it will point out that gumagawa sila ng isang drug, no, na pwede nilang ilagay sa mga soldiers para mas sumunod ang mga sundalo, or no, parang ano, guys, no, kung ating i-imagine yung concept ng Captain America, parang ganun. Okay? You can watch the YouTube yung tinatawag nating na operation ng mga mysterious operation ng CIA, makikita niyo yung sinasabi ko. Yung MK Ultra particularly, okay? Yun yung i-search nyo na documentaries, totoong documentary yun. Okay? Actually, si President Clinton humingi pa ng tawad sa maraming biktima ng operation na yan. Okay? MK Ultra eh. So, ginamit nila yon, at doon, no, bagong tuklas pa lang ang LSD, yung mga tao daw doon sa isang maliit na town na yon ay maraming namatay because may tumatalon sa second floor, merong sumisigaw na hinahabol daw siya ng leon kahit walang leon. Kaya mind-altering drugs. Okay? And then may mood distortion. So, please remember that. Okay, let us now proceed to this one. Okay, alam natin yung sagot dito. What is the answer? Our group of drugs having the effects of stimulating the central nervous system. A, hallucinogen. Okay. B, stimulants. C, depressant. And letter D, narcotics. So what is the answer, guys? Okay, yes, JM and Alexander. Okay, so I like your participation today. You're very active. No? Sana all maging active. Okay, so the answer is stimulant. Okay, so, hey, I'm sorry. Gaya yung sinabi ko, it can it can cure remove the inflammation to the body. Okay? So, 16 tayo. Those that can lower the body temperature, okay, of fever due to infection. What is the answer? Okay, those that can lower the body temperature of fever due to infection. Okay, what is your answer, guys? Okay, maraming sumagot ng sedatives. So tandaan nyo, guys, no, ang sedatives, downers yan. Okay, like barbiturate. Okay, so yes, JM and Teddy, you are correct. No, the answer is antipyretics. No, So yun ang nakaka-cure ng lagnat, fever. So I want you to remember that. Let us now proceed to, okay, nag-rumble guys, no? 17 muna. Okay, ba't nawala yung 17? Okay, ito pala 17. Okay, nag-rumble lang guys ha. I'm sorry. Okay, karoon ng rumble. Okay, dito tayo. So dito na muna tayo. Okay. So I'm sorry guys ha, nagkaroon ng rumbling ng ng numbering. But dire-diretso naman 'yan. Okay. So what is the answer for this one? Are group of drugs such as mandrax, okay, quaalud, fadomir, and others. What is your answer? So what is your answer guys? Okay, pakisagot. Alam natin na medyo mahirap siya pero okay. Ano natin, sagutin natin para ma-exercise yung utak natin guys, no? Dahil lang mahihirap na tanong, doon tayo nag-improve. So madaling tanong, medyo namamaster na natin yon. Pero kapag ang question is, no, challenging, mas ano tayo, no? Okay, mas truthful. How about the others? Tandaan nyo, no, mandrax, quaalud, fadormir, and others. Okay? So, iba-iba ang ating mga sagot. Okay, may sumagot ng B, D, ng A. So, ano ang tamang sagot? Okay, what is the answer? Okay, what is the answer? The answer is, take note guys, hypnotics. Okay, hypnotics. The answer is hypnotics. Okay, so many of you sumagot ng letter B, may sumagot ng letter A. But what is the answer? Okay, the answer is hypnotics, alpha. Okay, so tama si John, tama si Teddy. Okay, so the answer is alpha. So ano yung hypnotics guys? Okay, pwede sabihin sa akin kung ano yung hypnotics. Ito ba ay upper? Ito ba ay downer? Ito ba ay stimulant? Upper na rin yan. Ito ba ay hallucinogen? Type of drug? Anong sagot, guys? Can you please type kung anong ito ba ay upper, downer, or mind-altering drugs? Okay, guys. Now, I want you to remember. Okay, sabi ni Teddy. Okay, nice answer, Teddy. Okay, nice answer. The answer is, ang hypnotics, guys, is a type of depressant. Okay, depressant. Downer siya. So, please remember that. Hypnotics is downers.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!